Alright, we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. It's the 3.1 liter engine, and right now I'm getting ready to put on the upper plenum of the intake manifold. And I actually didn't have the wiring correct. I didn't have this harness in there, okay? So I actually had to take my fuel rail off, and that has to be laced in. It has to go underneath here and over the top at this end. So I had to take it apart and do it over, get it correct. And I have my gaskets laid out. And on this one, that's got to go into a black silicone neck, because it looks like I'm going to have to kind of wrestle it into place when the time comes. And that's connected to the exhaust. So exactly what they're doing with that, I don't know, but that connects to the intake, so it must, anyway, connects to the intake and connects to the exhaust. So, but we can take a look at that and see where that connects. That actually connects right here on your intake manifold. There you go. A little more light on it. I'm still in the process of cleaning it. I've got a good start, and then I decided to get ready. It's getting better. I see there's still a little bit of dirt here and there, but we'll continue shining on this, get it ready. I think this gasket's going to be left right there instead of trying to peel it off and stick on a new one. So trying to figure out exactly where all the wiring was really important. For instance, this piece, I believe it goes to the MAF sensor, or anyway, now let me see what the heck it is. Dang it, anyway. Here we go. Map, or MAF. The plug-in's got to go right there. And it actually, this has to go on to the intake, the upper plenum, before you even install it. It has to hook there, and then this wiring here, these two, alright, that's going to have to be laced right up through that hole right there. So as you can see, it took some thought to figure out exactly how to do this. So Hopefully I'm only going to have to put it on once, because if I do it wrong, you know what that means. I got to take it apart and go through the whole process again. But the main thing is that when you start it up, it fires right up and there's no leaks. So that's what I'm shooting for. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.